Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how I sold over 14 cars in 2 weeks, almost a car a day. Actually, 99% of the days this month, I have sold a car. There's only been one day that I have not sold a car, and I'm going to tell you how. Ladies and gentlemen, the car market is not dead. Guys, we're going to talk about the 3 P's in this video that is very important that you're going to want to know, that's going to help you sell so many more cars, so make sure you watch this video until the end. My name is Wadi Habibi. I'm a veteran car salesman. I've been doing this for 14 years, and I work at my family business for my dad's had it for over 24 years. And you guys know I've been born into this game. This is all I know. This is my career. This is what I love to do, and that's why I'm so good at it. I'm gonna explain some tips and tricks, and I'm gonna tell you guys how I'm selling cars every day, 2 to 3 cars a day, hat trick, whatever you want to call CBN, car before noon. A hat trick is 3 cars in 1 day. Guys, smash the like button, throw a comment down below on how many cars you average a month, and let's watch this video. Let's rock and roll. All right, guys, so first things first. When you wake up in the morning, before I do anything at all, guys, the number one thing I do when I start my day is I thank the Lord. Before my feet touch the ground, I praise the Lord. I thank the Lord for another day, another opportunity in this beautiful world He has made for us to thrive in, all right? The days are full of blessings. All we have to do is forfeit everything to the Lord and be yourself, and everything will fall into place. So that's the number one thing I do when I wake up in the morning. I pray, I take a shower, I get ready, I have a really nice breakfast, guys, which really helps. Some people skip breakfast. They'll hit a little bonger before they go to work. They'll go grab an energy drink. Guys, the most important meal in the morning, it is breakfast. That is how you have to thrive. You have to eat your meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner. We're gonna talk about that, all right? When I go to work, I take a bag full of snacks to keep me fueled and energized, because I know I'm gonna be running around taking calls, taking fresh ups, walking a lot, checking my inventory, stocking new inventory in, taking pictures, helping customers, sending credit apps. I know I'm gonna be busy. So guys, what I have to do is I have to make sure this body has gas in the tank. I gotta freaking move, all cylinders firing. This is a V12 Lamborghini. This is not a Toyota Corolla. It takes the premium. So I gotta eat. You guys have to fuel your bodies. When you get to work, you have to be in the best of mood. You can't let little things throw you off. What I like to say is when you're at work, work. Keep the other stuff outside of work. Focus on your responsibilities, your duties, and most importantly, do what you love. If you don't love selling cars, then just stop. You have to love it, you have to feel it, you have to go to work knowing you can do this, and it is easy because, guys, these cars sell themselves. I get credit applications, emails, car gurus leads, Carfax listing leads. All I have to do is follow up, be myself, these cars sell themselves. So we're gonna talk about the 3 P's. And if you're still watching, smash the like button. I appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be doing more videos. I'm going to be throwing up examples and pictures of different cars I've sold this month, every single day. I'm going to throw up all the pictures of all the sales. You're going to see them all. Guys, I have an Instagram that I promote, that I make reels every sale. You have to talk about your family, your friends. It's all about good word of mouth. When you treat a customer 110, 120%, what do you expect them to do? They're gonna go tell their family, their friends, their tia, their tío, their abuela, you know, their family, their co-workers. It's all about how you treat the person in front of you. Because when they go on the internet and they write how you guys treated them, that's what people look for. How we treated them. You know what I mean? Good word of mouth brings a lot of customers in. The 3 P's, I keep getting sidetracked, is person, product, price. The 3 P's, very important. The person, product, price. Okay, Mr. Customer, how did I treat you? Okay, you treated me very well. Why? You're a very experienced car salesman. You've been great with your customer. Great. I'm astonished to that. I'm glad to hear that. Thank you. I've been doing this for a long time. What about the product? Did you like the car? Did it talk to you? Are you loving it? Like, talk to me. Yeah, I love the car. It drove amazing. I got to check out everything with you with the demo. You told me all about the vehicle. I got the Carfax. I got the service records. You gave me enough information to move forward. Why? So yeah, I like the car. Okay, sir. Okay, Mr. Customer. What's left? The price. Come on in. Let me make this car in your driveway tonight. Let's do this because I'm gonna get these numbers right. Guys, the 3Ps, it's very important. Person, product, price. If one of those things is off, you do not have a car deal. All right, guys, so listen. When you go to work and you're thriving and you're feeling good and you have a smile on your face and you get a fresh up is a customer that pulls in the dealership and they just want to look. Some of them just say, hey, I just need to think about it. When you get hit with that line, okay, Mr. Customer, I understand. I would want to think about it too, but I didn't give you enough information for you not to think about it. You need to give the customer, you got to hit him with every corner, every jab, every swing you got. Your goal is to always advance the sale. What are you looking for, Mr. Customer? Are you looking for a truck? Are you looking for an SUV? Are you looking for a full size? Or are you looking for a mid size? Is color an issue for you? Are you looking for a darker or lighter color? Do you want leather? Do you want cloth interior? You got to figure out what these people want. Because if you can check all the boxes, you got yourself a car deal. If they're not super particular about checking all the boxes, then they're a number person. You got to get inside. You're off the product now. You're on the other P. You're on the price. Guys, just be yourself. You want to be as honest as possible. You want to treat these customers like family. That's what I love about working at my family-owned car dealership. I used to work at Ford. I used to work at Toyota with the big dealers, the big boys, the major leagues. And I've just noticed through my history and my career and my experience that I just take more time with the customer. You understand them more working at the pop lots and the little family-owned dealerships, because the major leagues is just so high, fast-paced. You don't really build that bond with the customer, that connection that I build. And that's what I was telling you guys. It's about good word of mouth. So if you tell these customers, hey, if you tell your family or your friend about me, I'll take care of you on the side away from the dealership. You can tell your friends that you'll throw them $100 or something. You can post Instagram stories and reels and TikTok shorts. You can try all that, guys. But what it's going to come down to is who you are, your spirit, your soul, and the 3Ps. I mean, the cars sell themselves, guys. You got to be able to work at a dealership that has traffic, and every time you get a customer, you have to just jump on it and run with it. All right, if you guys have any questions, if you want me to talk about anything else with the 3Ps or any other obligations that customers give dealerships or salesmen that prevent you guys from getting these sales, because I'm selling cars every day, so I would love to answer some of these questions for any of you car salesmen that are not selling cars. I'll even do one-on-one with you guys if you guys need any help. My job with this channel is to make you guys winners and help you get those 20, 30 grand months. All right, because it's possible. I did it. I have a whole wall full of awards at my dealership, guys, and I have receipts for this stuff. At such a young age, you guys can run circles around any crew. Thanks for watching. Peace.